The fact that I can wiggle this around like this is whatever. Okay. Okay.
I said I had to 1:30. I'm so sorry. Oh my God, I literally left the city to come and meet you guys. I'll be there in 5 minutes. I'm getting
Okay.
right now. All right, so sorry. I'm gonna fly down there. Bye.
Okay. All right, so while we're waiting, we did a A.O. Smith warranty status check on the serial number. We verified the model number is the one that the customer provided on the form. We have 3 years remaining on the tank warranty with the manufacture date of the 5th of September, 2021. And we're on hold, so it's 11:38. She said 5 minutes. She's got 2 more minutes of that 5 minutes. Hey, good morning. Mike from the Pipe Doctor. Can you verify the warranty of the product I'm working on?
Yeah, I'd be happy to help. What's the serial number?
213-612-5-962-362.
All right, so that's a 2021 with a 6-year warranty.
So there's just 3 years left on parts, I take it.
Yeah, so it expires in 2027.
Gotcha. So the customer provided an authorization number that was provided to her, apparently. Can you verify a number I have for that?
What's that number?
178-00021.
178. Oh, that's a case number.
That's a case number.
Yeah.
All right. That's not an authorization number for parts or for labor.
Not for labor. I have one for parts on file. It's P like Paul, 141-378-18.
Okay.
If parts need to be replaced.
Gotcha. All right. Understood.
All right.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Before you go, as a quick survey at the end of this call, we'll take your feedback.
Okay.
You have a good day.
You too.
Thank you for taking the time to answer 4 questions. The company may... If I had to call back, I would like to speak. I am satisfied with the solution. I tried looking online to read. If you have a few more moments, we would like to answer 4 more questions. How many phone calls did you place?
Daniel. Imagine we watch Daniel get assaulted at the front door. Well, that's Lawrence.
Who's that?
That's the bodybuilder at the original 1010 Central Avenue.
Yeah, he's cool.
Yeah.
Maybe he got one of our packages.
Maybe. Okay. So she said 5 minutes. It ended up being 7 minutes. And she's moving with a purpose. Hi. How are you?
Sorry.
It's okay.
You get here on time. Sorry.
You had filled out a form for our office.
I did.
You provided an authorization number.
Yes.
But that's just a case number. That's not an authorization for labor or for parts.
What do you mean? That's what she gave me.
A.O. Smith gave you. That's just a case number. That's not an authorization for any parts or labor.
Okay, so do I call them? Hold on.
No, I called to verify that since I had time to kill.
Oh,
yeah.
so
So our trip charge is $115 and the hourly rate is $225.
So, what happened?
You filled out a form, which
Yeah.
is normally reserved when we perform warranty service work for A.O. Smith.
Right.
Right. We're not here to perform warranty service work for A.O. Smith. You're going to pay us for the time, and any parts that we order for you would be under warranty.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I
the
paid for the labor.
Yeah, the trip charge is $115, the labor is $225.
But I thought that I already paid $200.
We didn't charge you anything, no.
Oh, so okay.
Yeah.
So you
But I was
didn't
making you aware. No, it's $115 trip charge or $225.
Okay.
No problem. Just making sure we're all on the same page.
All right. So
It's
we're all on
okay.
the same page.
So tell me, what you have a water heater. How old's the water heater? 2 years old, right?
Yes.
Okay. It was got from Home Depot,
Yes.
right?
No, it was for Lowe's. I feel like it was Lowe's. Was it Lowe's or Home Depot?
Yeah, A.O. Smith is Lowe's.
Okay, yes.
Okay, and when did it stop working?
When the power outage.
Yeah. When did the power go out?
Friday.
Okay.
One second. Oh, I just started. All right. Sorry.
I've seen some unique installs, but
Unique?
I've seen some unique installations in my days, but this one's unique. Yes.
Oh, God.
Okay. The water supply lines are far from correct. I'm not going to critique everything on this thing, but the most important thing is the safety valve. This is what that is. It needs to have a drip leg on it, and this water heater bounces around.
So, now you're going to charge me how much more now?
I don't want to charge you anything. It's just that, I need to make sure that the people who live here are safe and they don't have a hazard, in a tank that's, dangerous. But the fact that I can wiggle this around like this is whatever. All right. How do I turn the power off to it?
The power off to
Because there's normally like a switch to turn off power. You just have this.
I don't. That's the thing. Whenever you never seen a power switch.
All right. If that's the power right there.
Oh, you found it?
Yeah, but wow. Just when you thought you're seeing it all. Let's see if we can just get that out of the way. Wow. Okay. All right. Just when you thought you're seeing it all. Okay, let's get we're gonna need a 5/16 or a 1/4 inch driver on that right there. I can't hear because of the thing.
Huh?
Oh, I thought you were talking to me.
No.
Oh, in the phone. Okay. I don't know what that is. Maybe 1/4 inch. Let's take that screw off. There you go. Nah. You know what? Yeah. Take that one off too. Okay, and then that one right there. Only because I'm adventurous. Okay, now let's get the non-contact. Get the voltmeter with the alligator clips on it. All right. Let's get a little creative here. You ready? One there. One there. We have no power. So even if everything here was installed perfectly, this would still not be a manufacturer defect.
A manufacturer defect? That's not.
Because there's no power to the appliance, so that's the reason why it's not going to work. There's no power to it. Let's go a step further in case we have an issue with power. L1 and L2. Let's go one there.
The whole blackout.
8 volts.
The whole neighborhood had that. I can't
8 volts, and then
so I'm
same 8 volts. Let's find the circuit breaker. Let's see. Why? Okay, that's on. Is the cover normally on here, or the cover doesn't exist anymore?
The cover.
You said you had another one, yes?
Oh, yeah, I have this place downstairs. Why are you taking a picture of that? That has nothing to do with that.
I hear you. I'm protecting my company.
Oh, okay. Yeah, so you're gonna be what?
Well, God forbid, something happens here. It was like this when I got here.
Yeah.
All right, so crawl space. Let's see. All right.
I don't think that.
And another one, no panel on it, and everything appears to be on. Okay. Yep. All right. So the reason why, in order to proceed, we would need to have power here. And there's no power to the water heater. So there's really nothing that I can do. You would need to bring in a licensed electrician to diagnose why there's no power here. All the breakers that I saw appear to be on, but they're all both hazards.
No.
There's no covers to anything.
Okay.
So
what do we? All right.
so you need to call an electrician
Yeah.
and restore power to the water heater.
Was, but I was never thought we had no power there. Like I was literally just wasting all of that money. Literally. Let me call.
Let's take a further look. Let's check in here. Let's put a fillet bit on here. We'll do our due diligence while we're here. I'm going to check the other components to make sure everything is in order. At least you'll have some normalcy restored once power is here, but all of this is not safe. Okay. My biggest concern before I saw the power was the lack of a pipe here on the relief valve, right? But the power being like that, that's just no bueno. We're going to take a look under the electric panels and see what we see in there. Hopefully everything is good there, but let's see. All right, let's see.
So the workers came and basically said that I don't have power to do it. So my thing is this, right? So basically I'm gonna have to pay these fees or whatever. But when I do get power, like am I supposed to pay the fees again in addition to labor charges? And hang on, guys. Hold on, man. Oh, God. I was saying that the tax came. They told me that there's no power to the unit. So they can't do anything. But I still have to.
She doesn't realize she should be told.
Yeah.
No, it's not. It's on the number coming in.
But I still have to pay the fee. But listen to me for a second. So what?
All right, so this is what she's working with. I explained to her at the front door all the charges. And we did our due diligence. Look at this. Okay. And you wonder why. I'm not saying you. Please do yourself a favor. If it's because of just the dollar amount to have someone freshly come in, there are services and agencies out there that can help you. Okay, but I don't know if you have kids. I don't know what your conditions are like here, but for your own protection, this is not right. There's a reason why there's covers there. I'm sorry. I wish it wasn't like this, but yeah. If you need a Provent, Odie. I think Odie would be proud of this. I think Odie would be very proud of that. It's got to be the other one. It could be this, but I don't know. And back. We have the non-contact tester. Oh, it doesn't work real anymore. No. No, I was talking to Peter. I don't know. Outside of my realm. Damn, one was in tears.
Yeah, literally.
Sometimes you gotta have some compassion. However, I don't even know however. Just sad. I genuinely feel that she was in a position where the charges that we charged her are a burden financially. Sucks, you know. We have this island in New York called Long Island that has some of the highest property taxes of the nation, the highest utility rates in the nation, and we have inflation, we have unemployment, even though they say it's low, right? You know, you go to
Not low enough.
not low enough, you know, and people's wages have not increased with this inflation, and there needs to be a change. There needs to be a change. So hopefully, come this November, there will be a change. And hopefully, the change will unify the country again. We could pray, we could hope. Do I think it's going to happen?
I think we'll do better than how we did last time. I think America woke up a little bit.
Yeah. You know, it's sad. Here we are, 7 days after a New York City Police Department officer was ruthlessly murdered by a career thug, criminal, with a gun that he had in his hand, and he pulled the trigger and he shot this officer in his stomach and killed him and took away a man, husband from the wife, a father from the child, a son to parents, and a fellow officer in blue from other officers. Despicable. Despicable. And then there's some out there that want to have gun control. It's not guns that kill people. People kill people. Catch you on the next one. Be well. God bless. Stay safe.